All right, neighbors, Star Trail, Highland Homes, Prosper, Texas. Love that look. Love it. If I had the money, I'd paint my house that color. That is just gorgeous. I love the darker roof and then the painted brick. Maybe my tastes are going to change, but right now, that just talks to me. Let's go take a tour. All right, right out the entrance, we've got a media room and a powder bath. This is a really neat concept. I think it's staged incredibly well to show off the versatility. You could probably run that as an office too. We've got a powder bath in here, and then across the way, we have got a bedroom that's right at the front of the house with its closet, and then you've got a full bath servicing that bedroom. After that little media room, you've got the dining room, which is a great combination for when you're entertaining, because you've got the media room, you've got the dining room, and then you go right into the kitchen. We're headed down the back hallway. This is the garage, and here's the mudroom. Highland's got that set up as a design center. Here's the utility room. Here's the pantry. That is a little bit of a walk from the kitchen, but it's a ton of storage in there. There's the stairs to the second floor. And I want to give you a nice panoramic sweep of the family room, the eat-in breakfast nook, and the kitchen. Really nice setup. And I know you guys love the panoramics of the kitchen, so we're going to go back this way. The kitchen is the heart of the home. Super important you pick a floor plan that the family and kitchen combination just really speaks to you. And as we head into the master bedroom, you're going to notice that this really gorgeous flooring is run throughout most of the home. So many of you like a carpet in the master. This is a really well finished out master for sure, but I would really recommend running the wood in here as well. They've got, I'm going to back up so you can see the barn door. They've got a barn door to the bathroom, and then they've got some beautiful tile with a really nice, beautiful bathroom in here. And the master closet, which goes into the utility room, which is probably one of the most desirable features you're going to get in a house. The reason is you can take your laundry, your dirty laundry, right into the utility room and wash it. And if you've run out of clothes and you need some socks or some undies, you can just run right in there, unbeknownst to anybody, and you can grab them out of the dryer. And there's no way I'm the only person on YouTube that that's ever happened to. All right, let's go take a tour on the back porch real quick before we head upstairs. Now this is a much larger back porch, but this is a larger house. And you can see from that massive beam all the way over here just how shady it is. It's about 92 degrees. Yeah, I'm in a wool suit and it's 92 degrees. But you can see how gorgeous that back porch looks. And you could obviously fit, you know, a dining table and chairs over here. You could have a couple of chairs and a coffee table over here. Or you could do a love seat and a table. I mean, you can stage this in lots and lots of different ways. That's just going to be great for entertaining. And again, it's Texas. We love swimming pools. So if you're thinking of a swimming pool, a backyard with a big covered porch is invaluable because it just lets you really get out of the sun and just enjoy a cooler area to hang out and have a drink or eat. It's great for those birthday parties too. Combination of a pool and a big covered back porch. All right, again, same theme. We have a big open common usage area, a game room, and a really cool media room. So let me try and get the full effect for you. So I'm all the way in the back of the media room. And then there's the game room. Moving down the hall, we've got a full bath. And then we have a neat little suite with its own walk-in closet and just a really cool layout. They've got it decorated for a youngster with a faux unicorn. And then coming around the corner, we've got a nice bedroom, another common area set up for a student with a desk, but This would be a good homeschooling area. Lots of different opportunities here. Full bath. And then they've got this bedroom set up as a nursery. So guys, this floor plan, awesome. Highland quality, awesome. Star Trail, awesome. If you're looking for somebody to tell you where should you build, what should you build, this is probably one of the better recommendations I have if you're looking for a beautiful finish out and a very elegant neighborhood. I think that's the strengths of Star Trail. You've got tennis courts, a gorgeous swimming pool, but you're really going to have some good real estate values maintained here. I think this is probably one of the predominant neighborhoods that I personally really like for maybe potential price appreciation, definitely price solidity over any kind of downturn. So guys, if you look, Highland Model number 1, Highland Model number 2, American Legends number 1, American Legends number 2. Then on top of the hill up there, you've got the higher priced homes, Toll Brothers and Britain. You've got another Highland Model up there. You can come out here and in an afternoon, you can visit some of the top builders we have in our area. And I think you could probably pretty quickly pick out which home is right for you. All right, guys, if you're thinking of building, please give us a call. We love, love, love to help our clients build new homes. It is one of our fortes. Other than that, may God keep and bless you and cause his face to shine upon you and your family. Until we meet again.